Industry 4.0, also known as the Fourth Industrial Revolution, is a collection of terms which include several modern automation systems, data exchanges, and production technologies. Industry 4.0 basically aims to bring information technologies and industry together, to reduce production time and costs along with the amount of energy required for production, to increase production capacity and improve product quality. Industrial Revolution timeline started with the first mechanical loom in 1784 and then continued with the first assembly line in 1870, followed by the first programmable logic controller in 1969. From 2000 onwards, we have been experiencing the latest Fourth Industrial Revolution. Here are the key components of Industry 4.0. Internet of Things is the connection of objects, people, and cloud services over the Internet. The imitation of real-world processes or systems remarkably close to reality, which is called a simulation, provides great advantages in such several areas as human labor, saving on time, economic gain, and accident prevention. Autonomous robots could be defined as robotic systems with a certain level of intelligence, rather than robots with an automatic feature. With additive manufacturing, a virtual three-dimensional model is transformed into a physical one, starting from the bottom and layer by layer, after it is sliced into layers with a spatial software. Augmented reality is an exciting concept that allows us to feel and live the physical environment in the real world and real time, in a vivid and dynamic way, by means of computer-generated sensory inputs, which we also think will have a large part in our future lives. Big data storage and making it accessible on the internet has become possible thanks to the development of cloud computing technology. Transactions completed in the virtual world also reduces the costs by eliminating stationary expense and such services as file storage and archiving. Cybersecurity is defined as the practice of protecting computer systems from attacks against their hardware and software and data from being corrupted and services provided from being disrupted or distorted. Big data consists of a large amount of data such as server logs, internet usage statistics, call logs obtained from GSM operators, blogs, social media broadcasts, RFID tags, and data collected from sensors. With system integration, companies, departments, functions, and capabilities will become much more cohesive as cross-company, universal data integration networks evolve and enable truly automated value chains. The Industry 4.0 revolution and the components involved require a radical change, not only in production systems but on every field in the countries the revolution has been undergoing. In order to keep pace with this revolution, we need to revise our education systems to provide qualified employment opportunities for the future, as well as revising our production, employment, economic and sociological policies. OECD and WEF reports predict that the momentum of this change will even accelerate in the next 25-30 years. When a student starting school today has reached the age of starting her career, 45% of the jobs existing today will no longer exist, and instead, new jobs will replace them. These new jobs and the ones existing already will require new skills and critical competences. Data engineer, robotics coordinator, virtual reality designer, solar energy technician, wearable technology designer, agroecologist, sales forecast analyst, game designer, ecosystem auditor, cognitive behavioral therapist, blockchain developer, and tech ethicist are some examples of the future jobs. The following are the top 10 critical skills and competences employers are expected to have picked up by 2025, according to the World Economic Forum's The Future of Jobs Report 2020. Analytical thinking and innovation, active learning and learning strategies, complex problem solving, critical thinking and analysis, creativity, originality and initiative, leadership and social influence, technology use, monitoring and control, technology design and programming, resilience, stress tolerance and flexibility, and reasoning, problem solving, and ideation. Thanks for watching. For more information, you can visit the Multilingual website, YouTube channel, and social media accounts.